Oh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sade if you're new here, and if you've come back for another one, then thank you very much. Today's video, we are going to be sorting out this monstrosity behind me. I don't even think you can... Okay, there we go. Yeah, yikes. Okay, we are going to be sorting this out. So this is our wardrobe. It's the PAX system from IKEA, and yeah, I do love it. However, we didn't get the doors on the front. We thought that would be really cool when we moved in, and it would help us to keep them tidy. However, especially my side is actually never tidy. I haven't bothered like keeping on top of it because I knew that I was going to film this video. I have ordered something really exciting. Oh, first of all, by the way, if you haven't subscribed to me yet, please subscribe. I do all things DIY and home decor and interiors. So yeah, subscribe so you can watch all of my future videos if you'd like to. Okay, this is something that I ordered from, I want to say I got it from eBay. So I'm going to open it up with you now, but this is going to be key in getting this wardrobe organised. These are some vacuum storage bags. I've never used these before. You get 12 in a pack, and I want to say that they were around £10 to buy. We have actually got an ottoman bed. An ottoman bed is a bed that has got storage underneath. I'm not going to show you it right now. You will probably see it halfway through the video. That is also a mess, and it contains all of my summer wardrobe right now. So all of this is the winter stuff. Need to swap it over, but instead of just chucking all of the jumpers into the bed storage, I am going to be vacuum packing them so that they go like super slim, so that they don't take up much storage. And I think it actually probably helps to keep them really clean as well, because they're like airtight and vacuumed. Don't know if they're going to work, but if I can get away with saving loads of space with these, that would be amazing. I did search for the cheapest one. Wow, they're big. I did search for the cheapest one, so I'll put the links in the description box for the ones that I found, so that you can go buy these yourself if you want to. That is massive. I didn't expect it to be this big. It's got this little pull, lock, zip thing. Get it open, put your stuff inside, pull the ziplock from left to right. Seals it shut, don't pull it off too much. If you do, it looks simple enough to pop back on. There we go, it's back on. This is where you put your vacuum. So you put your vacuum on here, suck all of the air out, and then once you're done, pop this back on and it seals everything tight. It's got a rubber seal in there, so it'll stop the air coming out. I'm going to keep these on hand so that I can just shove stuff inside. But the plan is today to go through all of my side of the wardrobe. I've also got, as you can see, a load of stuff at the top and down the middle. All of this is my bedding stuff. I want to start to get some of the bedding stuff underneath the bed so that it's not kind of on display like this. I was going to do this where I try on each piece of clothing. However, I feel like that's going to take a very long time. Also, it's really hot. I actually hate having to get changed as it is. Like when I go shopping, I have to psych myself up. So doing constant like outfit changes is not going to be for me. I'll know most of the stuff that I want to keep because I do actually wear a lot of my wardrobe frequently, and I'll know stuff that I haven't worn ever. I will show you all the bits that I'm going to be talking about and if I'm keeping them or not, but I'm not going to be trying them on. So let's go. Right, I adore this coat and it's going to be staying out. However, can you see the dirt on this coat? I don't even know what this is. I know I got a lot of rosé on it. It is just from Primark. It was 20 quid, but it's such a nice coat. So I'm actually going to leave this out, but I need to clean it. This is a blazer that I bought for work, and I will use it if I ever need to wear blazers or something for work again. I loved them at the time, but I never find myself reaching for them anymore. I feel like they're quite unflattering. They make me feel a lot bigger. Oh, I love this. This is my aviator jacket. I'm going to keep this, but it's far too hot for the summer, so that will be going under the bed too. This is one of my hoodies. I need to invest in some more hoodies. This dress I'm keeping. I wear it for work. It's just super comfortable. Oh my gosh. These are two of my favourite new dresses. Bought these from Mango. So comfortable. Honestly, the material's so soft. I'm quite big like on top on my shoulders and my back, so I find things don't flatter me that much, but these really did. So they are 100% staying, so I'm going to put those back in the wardrobe. I've got this little cardigan from Primark. It's quite lightweight. It's warm enough to keep as something to just chuck on in the summer if it's a little bit cool and breezy, but yeah, that can definitely stay in the wardrobe for now. This one, I think I would consider throwing this in the bin because it has seen better days. Honestly, this just needs to go in the bin. Guys, this is what I mean. I'm already overheating. I'm not even getting changed and I feel so hot. This is a cute little top I bought from New Look. That's staying. This top here is a top that I tend to use as a work top, and it's from Zara. It is going a little bit bobbly. However, I do have a debobbler. Oh my god, do you guys know what a debobbler is? Right, let me show you. Oh my god, so excited to show you this. Right, this is a debobbler. I bought this from Amazon, so I'll link it below. This is from Philips and it wouldn't have been more than £15. Anyway, lid comes off. These are some little blades. Cut all of the bobbles and you just turn it on, and then it gathers all of those bits in here, and then you can click this off and clean it out whenever you need to. So I hope that you can see those. So that's just gone a bit bobbly. So I'm just going to take this and run it over, and sorry, it's really difficult one-handed, so probably not giving the best results right now, but it literally just gets rid of all of those pills, which makes your top like brand new again, and so easy to store and keep on hand. So highly recommend these, and has 2 AA batteries in the back there. You can probably get some that you recharge and stuff, but you don't need to use them that often. I've had the batteries in this for about a year. I'll link this in the description below. Now we're on to some thicker stuff. Now this is quality. I love this so much. However, there's going to be no way that I'm going to want to wear something this thick in the summer. This is going to go straight under the bed. I also have it in grey, but honestly these jumpers from H&M are amazing. I think they're about £25 each. Both stayed perfect, been washed multiple times, don't shrink, don't go weird or funny or anything. I think I'm gonna have to say goodbye to this one, but this is a H&M one, but I have had it since uni. As you can see, it's not really ever gonna look as new as it once did, so I think charity shop for this one. Another little Zara top that I usually wear for work, that can stay too. Oh my god, I've got so many hangers free.
5 hours later.
Okay, now I've got my Hoover, so I'm going to unscrew this, and then, oh, I need to seal the bag, so I'm literally just going to pull this blue part across. This is so simple. Okay, so I'm going to switch the Hoover on, and then I'm going to try to suck the air out of it, and hopefully you'll see it, hopefully it'll work. Oh my god! Oh my god! Wow! Okay. Oh my god, did you see that? You saw that. Look at this bag now. Oh, I should have showed you what it looked like before. This is incredible. That was easily 3 times the size before. Easily. Oh my god! Why am I so excited about some plastic? This is going to save all of my storage nightmares. Storage nightmares. That is exactly what they are. This is amazing. Honestly, I'm really, really impressed with these. For £10, for 12 of them. I need to check that they're £10 before I keep saying that. I shall check right now. Honestly guys, I'm sweating. I'm so hot right now. Apparently I didn't buy them anywhere. Okay, I must have bought them on eBay. I need to go through my eBay. Yeah, so they were £9.95 for 12 large space-saving storage bags. Right, I'm going to put that link in the description. Go and buy these. Honestly, amazing. This is going to save me so much room. I decided I'm actually just going to give everything to the charity shop. I'm not going to try and sell stuff because I don't think, honestly, I just can't be bothered. So it's all just going to go to charity shop. So I'll put that in a bag out of the way so that I know where I'm at, because everything's a bit messy at the minute. Honestly, I know I keep banging on about it, but I actually can't believe how well that vacuum packed that. Look how thin it is. Amazing. Okay, this is my top drawer. I'm going to be savage here. So the camera died, but I just carried on tidying up. I actually just flitted through the rest of the clothes in the drawers. The bottom drawer was just like my nightwear and underwear and stuff, so I just did that off camera. I ended up vacuuming another bag, so I've got 2 bags here now, on top of some scarves that need vacuuming. This little section here is stuff that needs to go in the understorage of the bed, but just into like plastic containers. So they're not going to get vacuum packed up, because I probably will need to revisit them at some point over the summer, but just don't need to be in the main wardrobe. Okay, so the wardrobe is looking like so. I've colour coordinated a little bit. This coat needs to move. Why have I put that there? So it's not perfect, but the wardrobe is looking like so it blends from black to lighter colours. All of the drawers are now tidied somewhat, so I've got gym stuff over there, and then I've got some space here for the rest of my summer clothes. I've got most of my jeans and like leather trousers and stuff, leggings and shorts and joggers, and then bottom drawer I've got some underwear bits. If you can see over here, this is currently the pile. Doesn't even look big on camera. That pile is going to charity. Loads of stuff there, so that's nice. I just need to get it into bags and figure out how I'm going to get it to charity during this time. Anyway, I'm going to lift up the bed and show you what's underneath, and then I'll start taking stuff out and reorganising. Those storage bags though, honestly, unreal. Ooh. Okay, so you can't really see everything. It's just honestly like crazy busy under here, and there's absolutely no need for all of this. So stuff has got to go, but I just need to figure out what. This looks like all of my summer clothes. I think I've got summer clothes in here. This little guy, love him so much. He's called Buxton. I might actually vacuum pack him. I've got this really weird thing where I like feel like my teddies are real and they've got real feelings. So it honestly breaks my heart to have them underneath in this bed. And I think if I had to literally suffocate them and put them into storage bags, then I might have a breakdown. But do you know what? Sometimes we've just got to do what we got to do. I'm joking. I love you, Buxton. Okay, cushions, another little teddy. This rug, boxes, yoga stuff that I don't even do yoga. I'm going to take the cushion covers off. Old bedding bits, like this stuff as well can be like vacuum packed. Okay, so I'm just gonna, it fits. I'm just gonna take all these packs that I've sucked. This is so satisfying. I cannot believe how much stuff I've managed to vacuum pack and shove over there. That is insane to me right now. Okay, let's just vacuum pack this last little section. So guys, I feel so tired. My eyes are stinging so much. I bought these new contact lenses that were meant to be better for my eyes and not dry them out after hours, but I've only had them in for like 6 hours and they feel so dry. Anyway, so I actually went ahead and pretty much just like tidied up what was under the bed. I'll actually show you what it looks like, one sec. This isn't going to be the best lighting, but this is what under the bed looks like right now. I actually had to go in and put some of the other like furnishings in, the cushions that we normally put on top of the bed, the wool blanket, other bedspreads and stuff, because I wanted to clear on top of this wardrobe and down the centre. So now on top is all clear, down the centre is mainly clear. I've just got a handbag there which I need to figure out what to do with that. In the meantime, this looks good because there would have been no way I was fitting all of that stuff in here before, so I'm happy about that. So now I can close that down. I feel like I've made such good progress today. So the summer and winter wardrobes are swapped out. I've vacuum packed all of the other stuff, made some space underneath the bed. My wardrobe is organised now. All I need to do is tidy up the hallway because that has, honestly, it looks like a bomb's hit it. I'm going to give myself a break for the evening, but as you can see, the wardrobe is much more manageable now. Honestly, I've got so much more room, but it's not quite where I want it to be. So I think what I'm going to have to do is make this a 2-part video. I wasn't going to intend to do that, but I think this is going to be my like declutter my wardrobe video, and then I'm going to do a like aesthetically style my wardrobe so that it looks pretty because I don't have doors on the front of the wardrobe video. So I think that's what we're going to have to do. So with that being said, tune in to part 2, which I will be putting up very shortly after this. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you all in the next video. Bye. Why is my Amazon in Spanish? Come back for another one. Thank you very much. I literally just nearly fell over there. Wow, help. Look at me. I'm just gonna like break everything. Cute little top that I bought from New Lick. Let me just read the instructions first. Someone is laughing about selling plastic for this price.